At Logitech G, we're committed to advancing play through a brilliant innovation of design and technology. One of the ways that we do that is by taking previous designs and advancing on them to bring new features that are requested by the community. The G513 takes the award-winning design of the G413 keyboard, which means it has a super sleek aluminum top case in both black carbon and silver. But now we've added RGB lighting, multiple mechanical gaming switch options, and a super high-quality memory foam palm rest. The included memory foam palm rest is sweat resistant and waterproof, which makes it super easy to clean. Our special memory foam quickly recovers from pressure, so every use is as comfortable as the first. The G513 also comes with additional replaceable faceted keycaps for the most popular gaming keys. One of the most requested features with our keyboards is multiple switch types. Today we're really excited to introduce a new type of Roamer G switch with our Linear Roamer G. The original Roamer G switch has a tactile bump, whereas the new Roamer Linear is completely smooth from start to finish of the actuation. The G513 supports full per-key RGB lighting customization, and with the power of LightSync technology you can get amazing dynamic lighting experiences. Use Logitech gaming software to create and customize amazing effects or select from a list of presets. Lighting control is right at your fingertips. Using the built-in key commands, you can easily cycle through presets as well as control brightness. Right next to the lighting control keys are the media control keys, allowing easy access to your content. The G513 is a very high-performance keyboard from Logitech G, with a beautiful design, advanced technologies, and serious gaming features.
We first started with mechanical switches for gaming keyboards and we popularized it through the entire gaming industry. Today, we've taken that a step further. We're now designing our own mechanical switches. We started with the green, to the orange, to the yellow, and now the opto-mechanical switch.
The Razer Opto mechanical switch is unlike your traditional mechanical switch. When a key is pressed, a light beam passes through the switch to instantly send a signal to your computer. With the new Opto mechanical switch, we were able to align the actuation point and the clicky feel, so the signal is sent the instant you feel the tactile click. All this happens incredibly fast, and with an actuation distance of just 1.5 millimeters, 30% faster than any other clicky mechanical switch. You get the fastest possible response time ever in a clicky switch. The use of optical actuation also means there's zero debounce delay, so the second you hit a key, you see the action happen on your computer. And with no physical contact needed to actuate a command, your keyboard is durable for up to 100 million keystrokes, 2 times more than competing switches. This is truly the next evolution of switches.
We want to make sure that we're always addressing the needs of esports athletes, of gamers, and of the community, and to make sure that we're always innovating.